In the previous episode, you saw me and my friend Maro take apart the engine, which looked surprisingly good on the inside. I finally received the new gasket kit and a new carb, so let's see if we can get this bike running today. But before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know I am giving away a bike. I'm giving away a SkyTeam PBR that I'm building myself. For more information, check the link in the description. En? The first test ride, here we go guys. Now mind you, this is still without any brakes, because I was out of brake fluid. I'm really happy this bike finally runs as it should, and at how easy it starts. It usually only takes one kick. Up until this point, I spent about 80 bucks, 50 on the pit bike and about 30 bucks on parts. A new carb, new gaskets, and a new inner tube. The only thing left to do is the brakes. The pads themselves still look usable, we just need some brake fluid. So that's what we are going to do in next episode. We are going to make sure the brakes work properly, and I'm gonna look for a few trails to have some fun on. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Going from first to second is just really weird. Just skip second, it feels like. That's why I was a little bit confused. I'm going to go crazy because there's still no brakes. But it does want to power wheel in second and first. Should be first. Man, first is really short. Second, third, fourth. The front wheel is very bouncy. It's, I don't know if you guys can see that, so I'm not gonna go too quick either, because that doesn't really help with the no brake situation. This is the second.
Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox this motorcycle tube Kenda 3.0.3.25 12JS87C. Let's do it. Oh, look at this magnificent piece of tube. Instructies met gat, ja?
Maar daar staat er toch op?
Kapot leggen, kijk weg. Hè.
Ah, dat staat op dat doolskop, hè? Scheurt nu niet die dingen kapot, hè? Als je een schaar hebben?
This is very eco-friendly, no waste of paper.